Hey everybody. Today I'm going to show y'all how I put on my foundation. So stick around and I'm going to go ahead and get started on moisturizing my face. Okay, now that I have a nice shiny glow to my face, I'm going to go ahead and get started on a little color correcting. Being that my skin, I have a little bit of dark circles here. So being that I have those dark circles, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use brown for those dark circles with my color corrector. My color corrector, Nikia. And then that, I can pronounce it correctly, but I'm gonna go ahead and add in this brown underneath my eyes. All right, what I just did was cover all of my dark spot areas with orange color corrector. This is what you do if you have dark circles under your eyes only. So if you don't have dark circles, then we can discuss other things, for your skin. We have different, colors for the color correction. So just comment below and let me know if y'all want to see that color correction tutorial, and I will go ahead and make that happen for you. All right, so next thing I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to go ahead and just lightly do something with my eyebrows, nothing major because this is a video about foundation. So we'll go ahead and move on from the eyebrows. So just give me a moment, I'll be right back. Okay, something real quick with the eyebrows. Now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put on my foundation. Now that I have the foundation on, I'm going to go ahead and blend this out with a damp blending sponge. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer, which is 2 shades lighter than my skin. Always put your tops back on your products. I'm going to put on a little yellow underneath, right underneath my eyes, on top of this, just a little bit under my eyes to help with the lightening process. The next thing you do is blend everything out. Now, any areas that you want to warm up a little bit that might be too bright, then you go ahead in with your blending sponge that you, or brush, whatever you blended your foundation with, and you go in and you warm it up to make sure you get the line out. Now, this is the finished product before you actually set your foundation and your concealer. As you can see, it brightened up under here. It lightened my under eye area. This is a natural color foundation, so it kind of gives you a natural hue to your face. This is Covergirl Queen Collection, and my color is Almond Glow. So this is in Almond Glow. But they have several other colors for that collection that's made for women of color. So I really love CoverGirl Queen Collection. It's pretty much my favorite foundation. But the next thing that we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and do rather is I'm going to set my concealer and I'm going to set my foundation. Always remember you set your foundation with an HD powder. Once you're done putting everything on your face, then use your kabuki brush and brush it off lightly. and you're all done. So now this is the final product with my foundation. And again, this was with the Covergirl Queen Collection Natural Hue in Almond Glow is what I did my foundation in today. Thank y'all for joining me, and please comment, like, share, and remember, subscribe. If I can stop being tongue twisted. All right, y'all, have a good day. This is Diamond. Peace.